What is up, guys? Welcome to Rekt today. Ooh.
He got wrecked. Welcome to Rekt. Today, what are we doing?
You interrupted me.
Interrupted
me. We're doing another one that you guys really enjoyed. It's the potato cannon. So we're gonna be putting some more potatoes in that sucker and launching them, baby. So we got tons of items to, wait. Yeah, technology, that's the word I was looking for. Technology to destroy. Let's do this. So this is a 100% authentic real iPhone.
Look, it even has the slot.
Yeah, and it has the Apple logo. See, that means it's real. I do want to let you guys know that we have a real iPhone. And it's not just a regular, it's a plus. So stay till the end to see what happens.
Just like Gunner's lips stuck together when he tried saying that.
All right. Oh, are we doing it close?
I want to do it closer.
Oh!
Oh my God! Where did it go? I don't know. I don't know where it went. Come look.
Wait, I don't know.
I actually don't know where the phone went. Oh my God!
Oh, it disintegrated it.
Dude, and you said I missed? Look at that, that was a perfect shot.
You had to take like 4 steps forward to even
because I wanted that power, baby. Hogan
You
here.
know it's powerful. You're tough right now, dude.
I just brushed my teeth. What do you mean? Powerful.
It's that Red Bull you've been drinking.
Maybe just have dirty nose from all that brown nosing you've been doing. Took a little too long to get to that joke. Would have been great if it was like 5 seconds shorter. That's whatever.
It wasn't.
Patrick, cut that shorter.
How about no?
You missed the You missed the punch. You missed.
He whipped the punch.
I can't even talk today.
He whipped oh my God. Dude, look at the screen protector. Dude.
Yeah, buddy. Wait, let's
me.
try and at least find like.
It's right here. Oh, here's the backing key.
Remnants of. Is that the battery? Shoot.
So this was a real iPhone.
Be careful with the battery. Oh my gosh. We got this nice, authentic phone. It's a Galaxy, and everyone hates Galaxies, so.
Dog!
Just kidding.
Just threatened to hurt him?
It's a stun gun.
That's actually scary, dude.
Dude, do you want to get stunned for this, for the vine?
For the vine? Dude, I actually do, but I'm not going to because that's actually scary. You act like I can't even get started. Let's just, I am done with you. Let's just put it in here. Why are you wording things?
Nothing.
Ow! That was non-consensual.
Did it work though?
Kinda. Went through my arm a little bit. Don't do that.
What? I'm just gonna go real quick.
Do it real quick.
Ow!
Idiot!
Ow!
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Okay, let's destroy this thing now that we both hate it.
Dads are gonna see this and kill us. Guaranteed.
Do we both hate it?
I hate it. Oh my God. I'm gonna have real bad issues later in the day.
All right.
Oh yeah. Really give it to it. Oh, nice. And that's how you skin a tater.
Nope.
Nice.
Nope.
Good shot.
Nope.
Good one.
Nope.
Killing it.
Nope.
Did you whiff?
I think I whiffed. Wait, no, there's no way I.
Oh, you hit it.
See, I did get it.
Oh, you hit it. All right, let's see. Come stand over here. Oh, dude. Straight snapped its neck back.
I already got patu on me.
What did you say?
Patu, dude.
Potato. I was like, what are you even saying? Maybe we shouldn't do this. Well, why not? You know, maybe
Well,
it's
actually,
good footage.
let's do this.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's a good idea. Yeah, maybe it'll snap now.
Yeah.
Like Smash Mouth.
Make sure you hit it, please.
I hit it.
Dude, that destroyed my ear.
Dude.
Oh
Liddy.
my gosh, did you hit it?
Yeah, I hit it. Look,
No,
it's
you
shaking.
didn't.
It's shaking. Yeah, I nicked the top of it. I hit the top. It's just fleeing.
Holy crap, my ear.
Apple. All right.
Dang. Okay, which one should I do next?
Next one.
Should I do the smiley face?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, I want to shoot this guy in the face.
Not smile no more. All right, let's take a look. Oh! Oh, you hit the top of it.
Did I?
Yeah, you hit the top of it, ripped it in shredderians. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh.
Dude, this potato cannon's putting in work.
All right, Gunner.
No, please don't.
What? It's just a phone.
Don't, Tanner, really, don't. I'm scared. I'm scared!
For the next product.
I'm just your son! I'm just your little son!
What are you gonna do with that? Shoot it reverse? I'm gonna leave it on because I wanna see if it can hit that tase button. Oh, what if we could shoot at the tase button?
What? Try it. Let's try it.
Probably won't work. Whatever.
Oh!
Yo, okay, watch. Bro. I didn't think it would actually break this.
But wait,
because
hold
of how
on.
thick it is. With
Hold
2
on.
C's.
Hold on.
Maybe even 3
Here,
C's.
hold this for a second. For real though.
Oh! Oh my gosh. So wait, where'd the battery go?
You see what I did there?
No.
It exploded and I walked away from the explosion.
Somebody, get me off this channel.
I want to try the watch. Let's try the watch.
I'll watch you try it. Okay, thank you. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Do you think I'm like the most accurate person ever? You're gonna give me like an inch-sized target with the potato launcher?
Do you want me to shoot? Because I know I can hit it.
Sure.
I told you I could hit it.
Oh my god.
I'm just kidding.
I dare you.
Should I do that?
Well, I want to show a little travel time, but yeah, get close.
Right.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Come on.
Nope.
All right, I'd say that worked pretty well. How you guys feeling out there? Anybody okay? Oh, nice.
Did it destroy it?
Yeah, I destroyed it. That angle was a bit rough. I want to see this up close one to see where it like destroyed too. You know?
Okay, I see you. Oh shoot!
For tasing me.
Oh
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it smacked against the back.
Destroyed it. It totally destroyed it.
I think it looks so sick how everything in the back is just kind of like ruffles. You know, it's like
like the chips.
like a hurricane. All right. Next product.
This is Insignia.
The best brand.
Don't buy this brand. It sucks.
That's why we're breaking it.
You don't have to get that close, really.
I like being close. It breaks it.
Nope. 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 Nope.
Okay.
Nope. Nope.
All right.
Oh! Oh! Wait, did it just snap it from the base? No, it flipped it over. Oh! It just shakes the whole thing. It looks so sick.
It's so dope.
Yo, these tablets
Guys,
don't stand a
look at
chance.
this. Look at this screen. That's insane.
Circuitry's still intact. Insignia might not be good at a lot of things.
Yeah, but they're pretty good at some things. Just not all things, or none.
Or most things.
Or really nothing. So now since that broke, we're gonna try and break through 2 tablets. Let's do it.
That means
load the cannon.
one more.
Oh,
What in the dang was that? Oh my gosh, dude, look at them flip. Oh! Yo, it straight pummeled through them. This is kind of what both the screens look like from those. Ripped it up. Next product is the iPhone. This is a genuine iPhone 7 Plus.
Oh.
Dude,
What?
so it snapped it back. Did I just only hit the top of it and that's why it snapped back? No, I hit it square on.
Yeah,
it just
you did.
literally bent
No,
backwards.
it's the metal frame on the back.
Yeah,
It bent
good
and just
casing.
held it.
Oh! So it ripped off like the front piece of it.
Yeah.
But I just kind of bent it over. I want to see. Gave it a full 90 almost.
Yo, I knew they said that the 7 had bending issues, but I didn't expect it to be this bad. Wait. Let's shoot it again. Ooh. That's what I'm talking about.
So the frame was already. Oh, here we go. Oh!
Yep.
Literally just blew the screen off.
Yeah.
Nice job.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at it just do a varial flip, dude.
Is that what a varial flip is?
Pretty much. So this is the screen, literally separated from the back. It got hit,
Oh shoot, dude.
Do one of
This
these.
thing came off. Has this been off for a while?
and this one was like,
Whips.
you can see that one in slow-mo too, I guess. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Oh wait, what? Got it.
Straight up, that's the remnants of the bottom.
Go.
Hot tease from Alice again.
Guys, make sure you check out this video right here, which is another video that we use the potato cannon in, and also check out this video right here, which is a video that YouTube will recommend for you guys. And remember to follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Get a shout out, just like Emily did.
Nope.